What's going on, Diamond Hand family? I'm back at it again. Moment of silence for you to hit the like button, notification bell, and the subscribe button. Quote of the week: when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Joe Kennedy. It's the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands, hitting you with this drip garden update. So Forex Shark just dropped another golden nugget on us 2 days ago, a drip garden video game. So this post right here in the Telegram says, I just got out of a meeting with some developers who are building a 3D open world game on Drip Garden. The game does not require users to connect wallets, so it's low risk and it'll be accessible through a free trial and then a small donation when your free trial ends. A percentage of the donations they receive will go to buying back Drip. These guys have a bright future ahead. They plan on getting out their beta next Monday on the 15th. So this right here, I mean, hopefully this is some kind of incentive for this game other than, of course, it's always a wonderful thing when they can pump money back into Drip. But also maybe if there's some prizes or some things you can do in the game to kind of boost your plants that you have in your garden. So it looks like you just, when I click on this thing, it looks like you just paste your wallet address in here. And, he said already, you don't have to connect your wallet. So it looks like it's a read-only setup. So this is the alpha preview and the beta will drop on the 15th. So this is going to be awesome. I mean, I love the way this is set up, the colors, the graphics and everything. They even have a little advertisement for alien games down here. I wonder what that's about, but maybe I'll be able to do a video on that in the future. But yeah, this thing, they got all the characters. They show you all what the characters are, and I'm gonna fast forward a little bit, but it shows you the little, I don't know what his name is, Porky the Pig. I don't know what his name is. I hope that's not but anyway, I forgot what they said the name was when they first introduced it, but he's walking around here in this little 3D open world thing. I think kids will love this. I mean, I don't know about adults. Maybe they might like it. Depends on if they can make money off it or not. But that's just say plant price again. That's funny right there. But anyway, that's just a glimpse of this 3D open world game that they're coming out with on the 15th. Beta drops on the 15th. I like how this shows the contract balance, your Drip BUSD price, the percent that you have in the contract, your seeds available. Looks like, let me see, I'm trying to find out where the plant. Oh, here it is at the bottom. The words are in the way, but it shows you your plants grown, plants per day, plants available, LP per day, and the plant price. So yeah, it's really good. So hey, let me know what you think about this game in the comments. Peace.